fantastic. All right here I have some of the instructions, some of the screws and bolts and spacers, and some more pieces for that. Now these are all going to go on my 2022 Lowrider S, and here is the bags. Now first things first is I wanted to show you guys how they wrap these things. So here you have the bubble wrap, but you also have underneath here, it comes with like a sock. This is a thick layered sock. I love that they do this because it keeps the paint, everything nice and fresh. So here is the bag itself. This is a smaller version of the Lowrider ST bag, and I like that it's smaller. I think the biggest complaint that some people have of the original Lowrider ST bag is that it is big, first of all, and it feels a little flimsy. But on top of that, you guys know that the side that has the pipe will be higher than the side, then this side right here is a little bit lower, if that makes sense. Okay, so what I needed to do before I start installing the Viking saddlebags is that I needed to remove the turn signals, and to do that you have to remove this whole, the hockey stick here, take off the seat and the fender, because you're gonna have to take off a bolt that's inside. That way you can get the wiring out of there. Now what I did also is I put an integrated tail light that has integrated turn signals, and now I'm ready to install. Okay, you can kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm aligning the bag with the fender, and I want to make sure that these 2 points are aligned. So I'm going to push this back a little bit. Right there. That's where I want it to be. Now what I'm going to do is I'm using this box and this wood as a shim, so I can line the holes and I can start drilling. I'm going to drill right there. I'm going to drill right there. The bags have like a slit right here, so it's kind of like a guiding point, which that is exactly where I'm going to drill at. Okay, so I drilled the holes. These are the long screws. I put the screw, a spacer, and the washer to hold it in, and now I'm going to install the brackets and plug it in. I'm also going to put the spacer for my sissy bar, or the spacer latchets I'm going to put on there, so that's why I'm using the long screws. Just installed this bag here. I put the spacers for the sissy bar, and these are the brackets that go on the saddlebag. Open it up for you. So you see the big washers and the 2 screws on the bottom, and I have it aligned from this point to this point. That's what I was looking for. So far so good. All right, there's the Viking saddlebags. Overall, I am pleased with the outcome. It took me about 4 hours to do. Some drilling, measuring, and just bolts, and you'll be good to go. I do want to show you how much stuff it fits. So you have the key, I already unlocked it, and there's a latch right here. Pull that up. Right here I have my hoodie. I have my little toolbox, camera equipment, chain, water bottle, and I could probably fit some more things in there. One thing that I like is the material that they use. You can see it in the sun's reflection, is the upholstery that they use. This is heavy duty material. This is made out of military grade backpack style material. And I do love the gasket around here. It really protects it from the rain, the waterproofing. And I do love the latches that you see here. They have really good equipment that they use, kind of like vehicle equipment. Overall, I'm satisfied with the saddlebags, and I wanted to show you guys how they look, and of course enjoying this view, Malibu beaches of California.